Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 24. My name is Walter. We are still working on combined operation on fraction using BODMAS. Let's go and do this question. We have 11 out of 15 of 10 over 33 divided by 5 over 6 plus 3 over 12. According to BODMAS, we start with bracket, then of, after that division, multiplication, addition, and last subtraction. To our question here, we don't have any bracket, but we have of here. So we are going to start with of. Of means multiplication. This is going to be 11 over 15. Of means multiplication. 10 over 33. Then I'm going to drop the rest. Still, I have to work to the place where there were of here, means multiplication. So let's see if we can simplify here. By 11, 1. By 11 is 3. By 5, 3. By 5, we get 2. Let us go ahead and multiply. 1 multiplied by 2, we get 2 over 3 multiplied by 3, we get 9. Then we are going to drop the rest. That is divided by 5 over 6 plus 3 over 12. Now, according to BODMAS, the next operation to deal with is division. So we are going to keep the first fraction, that is 2 over 9. We change the sign to multiplication, and then we are going to reciprocate 5 over 6. That is going to be 6 over 5. Then I'm going to drop the rest. We can simplify here. By 3, we got 3. By 3, we got 2. We'll go ahead and multiply. 2 times 2, we get 4 over 3 times 5, we get 15. Then I'm going to drop the rest. Lastly, we are going to add. So we are going to find the LCM of 15 and 12, which is equal to 60. 60 divided by 15, we got 4. 4 times 4, we got 16. Plus 60 divided by 12, we get 5. 5 times 3, we get 15. This is equal to 16 plus 15, we get 31 over 60. Hope you understand how to work with combined operation on fraction using BODMAS. For more video on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.